Hey everybody, it's Rachel here, and I'm doing something just a little bit different today. I just received in the mail the box of art supplies that I am giving away, so I thought I'd do a good old-fashioned YouTube unboxing. And let's see, I think I may need to actually raise my camera up a bit. It's a big box. All right, so yeah, this is a humongous box, and it's full of art supplies that I am giving away. And this is a giveaway that I will be doing at the end of this month, technically April 1st, because this is my March Maker Madness giveaway, where I am encouraging you to take any of my Skillshare classes and follow along with those, do the projects in whatever medium you want, post the projects, follow me on Skillshare, and tag me on Instagram. There's more details in the description below about the giveaway. And if you need 2 months to try out Skillshare for free, I have a link in the description of this video for that as well. So I really encourage you to give this a go. You've got plenty of time because it's still just the beginning of March, and this is going on all March. And I will be doing a drawing on April 1st here on YouTube. And I'll have 2 drawings because I have 2 different prizes. So there's gonna be 2 winners for this giveaway. And this giveaway is only sponsored by me, not by Jerry's. Although, hey, Jerry's, if you want to sponsor me or go in with me on anything, I would love that. I love Jerry's Artorama. And this is also not sponsored by Skillshare. This is all me, and really this is just a way to say thank you and to show gratitude because, yeah, Skillshare has been really awesome. I've been a student on Skillshare for quite a while, and I just started teaching on Skillshare about a year ago, and it's been really cool. And I'm even newer to YouTube, but I first learned to make videos for Skillshare and through Skillshare. So, you know, I feel like I owe a lot to the community, and I just want to say thank you, and I want to help someone else get started. So let's get started. Let's open this box. So Jerry's boxes are super easy to open. You just pull them. All right, so right away, here is the big prize. This goes in with the first tier prize that I'm giving away. These are M-gram oil colors with solvent-free colors, solvent-free mediums. There's 2 different mediums in here. I'm not gonna open up the box. I'll just show you on the back what's inside. So there are 4 colors plus white, and then there are 2 bottles of medium. They're both walnut oil medium, but one is an alkyd. And alkyd mediums just help your oils to dry a lot faster, and I am a big fan of using alkyd mediums. I like to use liquid, but I have been using the M-gram walnut oil alkyd medium lately, and I really like it. It leaves a very nice sheen and finish to the oil paints. And I have been a lot more conscientious about toxin-free oil painting lately. So this is a set that doesn't contain any cadmiums or anything like that. And I will be doing a lot of my oil painting demonstrations in Skillshare with this set, although sometimes I do sneak in some other colors. So this is kind of the big one because this is really high quality, like top-notch artist quality paint. and very rich colors. I mean, it's M-gram, so you really can't go wrong. They don't really make any kind of intermediate level paints for any of their products, so they're just an excellent brand. Second tier prize will get this Winsor & Newton oil color set, and this actually has 6 tubes of paint in it and more color variety in here. The tubes are a little bit smaller, but this is still a very nice set of oil colors. And if you want to know what the qualifications are for the different tiers, you'll just have to look at the details linked below to get the lowdown on everything. So next, if I can get it open, this will actually go in with the first tier, because with this M-gram set, one thing I feel like it's lacking is a dark neutral, and so I decided to go ahead and get some raw umber. I really like using raw umber for my darkest values and to make neutrals and to do underpaintings and things like that. So I decided that would be important for me to include with this set, because I do demonstrate a lot with raw umber. And then with each tier prize, a palette knife, a stainless steel palette knife will come along with that. I think a palette knife is really essential. And then I have a whole bunch of brushes in here. Oops. I guess we'll just go ahead and get these out since they're not really sealed in this bag anyway. This is my favorite brand of paintbrush to do oil paintings with. The brand is Pro Stroke, and these are bristle brushes. Actually, the brand is Creative Mark, the line is Pro Stroke. So each tier of prize will get 3 brushes. So each, let's see, I'll just divvy these up a little bit. Yeah, okay, so here they are. So you'll get a flat size 8, a filbert size 6, and then a flat size 2. So I think that this is a really good range of brushes. Honestly, like if I had to distill my brushes down to just 3, these are the 3 that I would have. So these are excellent brushes. And 3 of these will come with each prize tier. I don't know if I want to unwrap these, so I might just show you my bottle. So I got 2 small bottles of Chelsea Classical Studio Citrus Brush Cleaner. Let me go ahead and just get mine out so you can see what it looks like, but I do want to leave these wrapped up because I'll be shipping these out somewhere and I want safe shipping. So here's my bottle. This is really great because this is a brush cleaner that you can use in place of odorless mineral spirits or turpentine. And a lot of people are not aware, but odorless mineral spirits are still toxic and they do still smell, even though there's, you know, they brand themselves as odorless. So definitely not odorless, definitely still toxic, and gives me a major headache. So I started using this stuff over a year ago and it's awesome. It is a little bit pricier. Actually, it's a lot pricier, to be quite honest with you, but it is so worth it because I no longer get headaches and I feel good about using it. And this is the first bottle I've ever bought, and like I said, I bought it over a year ago and I still have quite a bit left, so it lasts a long time and it's really great. So that's what is in these 2 bottles. They are smaller, and I'm gonna leave them wrapped up so that I can safely ship them off to wherever. Next, I'll leave these. I'm gonna leave everything in their packaging because I want everything to be new when they get to their new homes. But I'm giving each prize tier these solvent and medium cups. So these are really nice because they have a clip. You can clip them right onto your palette. And then in one of them you can put your medium, like one of your walnut oils. And in the other you can put your solvent to clean your brushes or to thin your paint. So each prize tier will get one of those. These are for me, so yeah, sorry. And then each person will get a palette. And I'm just realizing that these palettes are just a little bit larger than my palette, but the same shape as my palette. Let me see if I can just grab my palette so you can kind of see the difference. I have it clipped over here on my easel. And I'm dropping everything. So this is actually my palette. It's a lot smaller actually. So you'll be getting a larger palette. And so I will be jealous of you because I'm always running out of space on my palette. If you've seen any of my oil painting videos, I really fill this whole thing up with mixes. And I'm pretty sure that my palette was the same color as these when I first got it. So now mine's a different color just from being stained with paint and having oil rubbed into it. And I try to take really good care of my palette. I think that that's really important. So I encourage you to do the same. And I think that that's it. Oh, actually, no, it isn't. No, it isn't. Okay, so the last thing that the winners will receive are a few sheets of Arches oil primed paper. And so here's just a few sheets. And the first tier prize will get 5 sheets of assorted sizes. The second tier prize will get 3 sheets of assorted sizes. And I love this paper. I love it to do all of my studies on because I just feel a little bit more casual about it. I don't feel like I'm painting some masterpiece that's going on in my wall. I'm just doing studies. And honestly, when I come into painting with that mindset, like a very relaxed, nonchalant mindset, my paintings turn out better. So some of my best paintings have been done on this paper. And even though it's paper and it's not canvas, honestly, it's probably a way better quality than any of the stretched canvases that I do use, because this is very much like Arches watercolor paper. So they're 100% cotton, they're completely archival, and the main difference between these and the Arches watercolor paper is that this paper is primed for oil. So you would not necessarily want to paint with oils on any kind of watercolor paper because it's going to soak into those natural fibers and cause rot and decay. You always want to be using oil on a properly primed surface. So these are oil primed and very awesome. I love this paper. It's a great surface. It does have some texture to it, but not as much as most canvas. And it's really easy to work with. So I'll be including some of this in each prize tier as well. All right, so I think I'll just go ahead and put everything back in here. And this will all just be waiting for one person who enters my giveaway and is lucky enough to win. All right, well that is it. I hope that you're excited. I hope that you'll check out my giveaway and my Skillshare classes. As I said, you can try Skillshare for 2 months for free. There's a link below in the description for that. And take any of my classes. I often demonstrate my Skillshare classes in oil paint, but a lot of my classes focus on different concepts. And so you can actually complete those projects with any medium of your choice. And for every project that you enter, you will be entered to win 1 entry. So for example, if you do 2 entries, you will have 2 entries into my second tier prize. If you do 3 or more entries, then you'll have 3 or more projects that go toward the first tier prize. And there's already a few entries and I'm really happy about that, and I am so appreciative of that, and I love the feedback that I get on my classes. It helps me to become a better teacher. And yeah, it's just been a really great year and I'm really happy and excited to be able to give back. So I hope you'll check it out, hope that you're excited, and I will see you in another video soon. Bye!